We just noticed you've been following us everywhere.
Right now?
Yeah.
You know why? Because you don't belong in my city. I come from the big city where this stuff's small.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In July of 2018, a post on Facebook by DeMarcus Bunch said that he and a group of friends met up in England, a small city in Arkansas, with less than 3,000 residents, to shoot a music video in the neighborhood where he grew up. A local officer watched them as they got together, and then followed their vehicles through town. Once they arrived at Bunch's home, he flagged down the officer so that they could introduce themselves, hoping to ease the situation.
What up? How you doing? I'm always doing good. Great. We trying to record a video, sir. How you doing? I'm Shannon Scrivener. I'm Mike Moore. All right.
We're Dale Scrivener nephew.
Yeah, we there just trying to record a video.
Yeah, we just noticed you've been following us everywhere.
Right now?
Yeah.
You know why? Because you don't belong in my city.
We're from here.
But you understand, I know who my people are, right? Who belongs here, who doesn't?
Who don't?
We got gang wars going on. We got all kinds of stuff. And I come from the big city.
To be clear, Officer Moore started his career in Greenville, South Carolina. Not exactly a city I would describe as big, but we will discuss that more in a moment.
I come from the big city where this stuff's small.
Yeah.
Okay? So that's cool.
Oh, yeah.
Do your thing.
Oh, yeah.
We don't. You said we don't belong in your city, though.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
Okay. I have never seen you here before, and I know almost everybody
Man,
here.
I grew up in 101.
Well, good.
I graduated from England High.
Well, good for you. My name's Mike Moore.
You all right?
Okay? I'm not from here. Step away from my car. I'm about to get my dog out there.
Ooh, yeah, let's get away from it.
After explaining how he knows everyone in England, Arkansas, while also mentioning that he isn't from there, the officer returns to his vehicle and lets his canine out.
Hey, y'all get y'all phones out.
You guys can record that here?
No, don't say
Where you going to record that? Here?
Hey, Uncle Dale, man, can you come over here for a minute, man?
Uncle Dale happens to be a uniformed officer within the same department.
Nah, he said we don't belong in his city.
Y'all belong in the city.
Yeah, he said we don't belong in his city.
Man, he ain't even from England. Yeah, we from England.
That's what I told him.
You ain't from here.
Yeah, I got him. So what's the point of getting this dog in the first place? Do you even have probable cause to get your dog?
You got a search warrant or nothing?
Ain't nobody did no wrong out here. He the one doing wrong. He bring that dog out. Ain't nobody did no wrong out here, man. You ain't even from England. We from here, bro.
Hey, Oaks, don't get that charge.
No, because he can't do nothing. I ain't gonna do no truck. I ain't gonna disrespect him. But he ain't finna disrespect.
Tried to shake my hand. Like I said, no, bro, you
he can't
good.
disrespect you. He leaving. He leaving. Look.
He was like, you got your phone out, you gonna record, man?
He
Hey,
can't do
yeah.
nothing. He do that all the time. But he took me to jail, though. Definitely.
Officer Moore remained parked nearby until the group packed up and left, never filming their video because the situation was so odd. DeMarcus showed the video to his Uncle Dale, who, as mentioned before, was an officer at the same department. He then filed a complaint with the police chief, and a lieutenant called to get more information, but after a few weeks went by, he heard nothing more about the investigation. He finally decided to post the video to Facebook, and Officer Mike Moore was fired the very next day, which further demonstrates that these agencies cannot adequately police themselves, and why independent media recording the police and posting the videos on public forums for the public to see is so important. But to make matters worse, this isn't the first time Officer Moore had been fired from a law enforcement agency. As discussed previously, the officer started his law enforcement career in Greenville, South Carolina, where he had made lieutenant.
We got gang wars going on. We got all kinds of stuff. And I come from the big city where this stuff's small.
Greenville is the largest department he's worked for, but it is by no means a big city. He left the department for unknown reasons to work for 10 months with the Simpsonville Police Department before moving to Arkansas, also for unknown reasons. And just 1 year before this incident, he was fired by Lonoke County Sheriff John Staley, who cited a negative attitude after serving as a deputy for only 10 months. It's unknown if after this dismissal, whether Officer Moore kept with his tradition of department hopping anytime he got in trouble. When questioned, the Fraternal Order of Police claimed that they weren't aware of the incident.
And if you're the ones that are out there spreading the rhetoric that police officers are the enemy, well, just know we've all got your number now. We're going to be keeping track of all of y'all, and we're going to make sure that we hold you accountable every time you stir the pot on our police officers. We've had enough, folks. We're out there doing our jobs every day, putting our lives on the line for our families.
And of course, the Southern States Police Benevolent Association would not comment on the case, but I'd still love to know what you think. So as always, let me know down below. And if you have a chance, be sure to visit Mr. Bunch's YouTube channel, Kid Fresh, and while you're there, let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady Lackluster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.